In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your very own productivity hub using Notion. Let's dive right in and guide you through building a personalized space to manage your tasks, goals, and inspiration. As you embark on this journey, remember that Notion is a versatile tool, so feel free to tailor it to your specific needs as we go. First, what you'd want to do is open your Notion dashboard. If you don't have a workspace set up yet, don't worry. You can quickly create a new page. Once you're in, click on the New Page button. Go ahead and give it a meaningful name that encapsulates its purpose. Let's call it Productivity Hub. Next, let's set up a space for all those day-to-day tasks and reminders that keep you moving. Type the command Author to Do in your new page, and then select the To-Do List option. You'll see a checklist appear. This is where you can jot down daily tasks and quick reminders to keep everything running smoothly. Having a visible, tickable list is a small, satisfying way to stay on track throughout your day. Moving on, structuring your month or week is essential to maintain a steady workflow. Type /calendar and opt for the calendar view. This will be your go-to for mapping out weekly goals, important deadlines, and events. By having a clear visual overview, you'll find it easier to juggle different commitments and stay ahead of your schedule. Now, let's focus on tracking progress. Because what's productivity without knowing how far you've come, right? Inside your page, type #table and choose the Table View option. This table will serve as a powerful tool to log your projects, monitor habits, or evaluate your progress over time. Customize the columns to reflect what metrics are most relevant to you, whether it's the status of a project, your daily exercise, or a learning goal. This setup allows for a clear snapshot of where you stand and what needs your attention. Feeling inspired yet? Well, let's make sure you stay that way. A little daily motivation can go a long way, so type a quote to add a motivational quote block. This can be a famous saying that resonates with you or a personal mantra. Having an encouraging line to read each day can make a big difference in how you feel and perform. Finally, to tie everything together, it's time to organize your sections. With Notion's drag and drop feature, rearrange these blocks into a logical order that makes sense to you. Perhaps start with a Tasks section, followed by Calendar, Progress Tracker, and finish with a Motivation area to keep the encouragement flowing throughout your productivity journey. By naming and arranging these sections, you create a coherent and visually appealing workspace that is uniquely yours. And there you have it, a straightforward yet effective productivity hub on Notion. Enjoy the process of personalizing it further and watch as your productivity takes off.